Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of another smartwatch that we bought sa Lazada this time. Okay, so I saw this on sales, the Infinix smartwatch. Okay, so yun yung name niya, Infinix. The model name is XB03. Okay, so it's made in China. It's supposed to be able to get your heart rate. It's IP67. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya waterproof. IP68 yung waterproof. Dustproof lang siya. Waterproof talaga. Anyway. Alarm clock, sleep monitor tracks. So, it does the usual, what the usual Android smartwatches right now. As you can see, I have a couple here. I have the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. I also had the Mi Band 2, but it died. I forgot which band this is. I think I bought Lazada also. I also have a Lenovo here, which surprisingly still works, no? I haven't been using this in a long time. Minsan may nagkakaroon siya ng dead pixels eh. Saka mabilis na malobat. I also have the Samsung Fit E somewhere here in the house, and I also have a couple of those ang tawag dyan? Yung mga OEM na may blood pressure daw. Okay? I have it somewhere also here. I don't know where I put it. So here's the yan kayo, yung mga tapos na. Here's the Infinix Infinix XB03. Okay? We bought this for 500 something pesos only. 549 kasama na yung delivery charge. Okay? As you can see, medyo malapit ang itsura niya sa Lenovo and sa Xiaomi. In terms of the general shape, para siya yung Lenovo smartwatch. If you look at it, Lenovo ito nasa gitna. But in the general size, it looks like it's almost as big as the Xiaomi. Okay? In terms of the band, the band construction is almost the same with Xiaomi, no? Na in the sense that it goes through the loop and then ganyan, okay? The rubber of the Infinix looks like it's softer. Okay. I like the way it feels, So we'll see what the charger looks like. Kasi not everyone has the same charger, well, everyone has different chargers. Okay, so it looks like it's a clip type. Okay. So kagaya siya nito, this one. Okay. Forgot the name of this watch. Sila yung magkamukha, ayan Okay, diba? So, as you can see, it's the same type. So, you clip it under the watch. There's 3 metal points there. So, okay, buti na lang malapit yung ating saksakan. Let's see. So, as you can see, nag-turn on. It's color green. Okay. So, kaso medyo dark siya. So, parang there's heart rate. Okay. Measure BP. Oh, it can measure BP. Okay. Camera, it says you can take the camera. Looks like, if it can really measure BP, I think this is my new favorite phone. So, we're gonna download the app. We're gonna find it here sa Play Store. We're gonna pause this for a while. We're downloading the Infinix Life. I assume this is the one. Kasi wala namang iba. Okay. So, it looks like na almost the same siya nung charger ng isang phone. Let me show you. See? Look. It's not almost the same. It looks like it's exactly the same. See? I don't know if this works pa. We'll try. Let's try this other one if it charges here. Kasi ayaw na niya mag-charge din sa isa. So the contact points are hitting but it's not turning on. Well, let's see. Baka kasi sobrang low bat. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. The screen is covered by may plastic siya, na maliit. Okay. So there's the app. We're gonna pause it while I put my things in. We're gonna see add device. So We're searching for the device now. Wala. It's not showing up. Pause. Let's wait. The device. It says here it's charging, so it's on. Pero hindi siya nakikita. So yun, kailangan pala pindutin yung taas. So now it's connected. Okay? It's 1% lang. That's why you need to keep it charged. So wala siyang charge. So it seems that you can control your camera from your phone. Diba? Oh, it opened it. Okay? You can change the faces. Nice. Nice. Okay. You can set the notifications, what you're gonna allow. So I'm gonna allow phone messages. Okay, allow muna. Okay. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, IG, Line, and that's it. Okay, so we're gonna allow. Okay, so you can set the alarms as usual. Shutter, yeah, I showed you that. Others, you can find device, time format, do not disturb, reminders to move, language, quick view, valid period calibration, temperature, temp system, city. So you can put where you are. I don't want to. Let's see if there's latest version yung firmware. Okay. And it's supposed to see heart rate and may BP. So I think this is good. Tapos may blood oxygen siya. It has the same functions as the OEMs that we've been buying that can measure BP. So we'll let you know if this works in the next couple of days while I'm charging the device. So that's the quick unboxing for the Infinix X Band 3 or XB03. You can get it on Lazada. Naka-sale siya the other day. I don't know up to when, but I only paid 549 pesos including shipping. Thanks guys. Bye.